Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to look at importing grades from CSV files to PowerSchool. And I know with Moodle and Google Classroom both, you can export grades to a CSV file or an Excel, which you can change into a CSV file. So when you have 20 kids or so, I think it's pretty worth it to go through this method. And it takes a few steps to get it all set up, and then once you kind of have your main page, it goes pretty smoothly from there. So this is the first step that everyone will take regardless of what platform you're collecting your grades on, Moodle or Google Classroom. You're going to go into Reports, Student Roster. We want to do one class at a time. You can use custom name if you want. It pulls in their name for one of the columns, and then we also need their ID number to make this work. So we're going to add that. And we need the ID number to actually be the first column, so we're going to just move that up in the list there. Go to Format at the top, and we need this PDF to change to an Excel, and then we're going to run the report. Once that's finished, we can view reports here at the bottom, and here is my Excel sheet with my students. Now the sample class I'm using here obviously just has these 2 students, and it would not make sense to go through all this for that number of kids, but what you have is the ID number and the student names. Make sure you enable editing, and then I would save this as whatever you want to save it as in a very prominent location, because you're going to be coming back to this main page often. So first period grades, or however you want to call it. Then you're ready to move on to the next step and pull grades out of Moodle or Google Classroom.